Here's how to set up and use your camera in BlueStacks. Before doing anything inside BlueStacks, first confirm your camera works correctly at the Windows level. Open the camera app on your PC. If you can see yourself, the camera is ready. This step matters because BlueStacks cannot use a camera that Windows itself cannot access, so troubleshooting here first saves time. Once confirmed, open BlueStacks and click the gear icon on the right sidebar to open Settings. Go to the Devices tab. This is where BlueStacks manages hardware connected to the emulator, including cameras. Under the Camera section, select the specific camera you want to use. Since if you have multiple devices, like a built-in webcam and an external USB camera, you need to tell BlueStacks which one to use. Click Save Changes. Skipping this step is a very common mistake that leaves BlueStacks defaulting to the wrong device or no camera at all. Now open any app that uses a camera, such as Instagram, Snapchat, or Zoom. When prompted, allow the app to access your camera. Denying this permission will prevent the camera from working even if everything else is set up correctly. If the camera still does not appear in an app, check that no other application on your PC is currently using it. Verify that Windows camera permissions are enabled in privacy settings, and update your camera drivers if they are outdated. You can also switch between cameras at any time by going back to Settings, then Devices, then Camera. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.